Yummy food.
Yummy food. All gone.
This is the Pantheon. Look at the line going to the Pantheon. The line is long, but it moves really fast too. So here we are, really close now to the Pantheon. We're here at Di Rienzo, 70 degrees. We have antipasti, antipasti classici, antipasti mare, tradizionale,
Ako na-order ng
primi
drinks,
piatti,
ma.
primi piatti tradizionale, primi piatti di mare, le nostre specialità, secondi piatti di carne, secondi piatti di pesce, contorne, pizzeria. Josh, are you getting pizza? Torta della casa, and then the drinks.
Porcini, no?
Porcini again.
Yeah.
Cacioppi alla romana. This is the place, Cafe Ristorante Di Rienzo. They're here since 1952. Thank you. That's the view from here.
Posso avere della Virginia Mojito, por favor?
Non ho capito. Posso avere
Della Virginia Mojito.
Virgin Mojito? Vabbè.
Grazie.
Grazie. Oh, papa.
Beautiful. Special. Josh Virgin Mojito is so special.
Yes po.
Ayos. Grazie. Perfect. Ganda ng recommendation mo.
Grazie. Babalik po ko sa order niya. Babalik po ako.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Still sabi.
Salute. Kasi itong ano natin, yung polpo, manipis ba ang slice doon?
Hindi
Kasi
man
sa
manipis
iba
na miss.
makapal.
Medyo makapal to ng konti.
Makapal.
Ay, yung
Ano,
tuna
gusto
ba?
mo na lang yung tartar?
Hindi, ano, yung tuna ba? Ano ba yung ano yun? Anong pagkagawa nun? Tuna talaga yun na, ano?
Tuna tartar. Apo.
Hindi naman siya can.
Hindi pa, hindi pa.
O, yun na
fresh
lang.
Tuna
na.
talaga siya, tunay na tuna.
Yun na
Oh,
lang,
sige, yun na lang.
antipasti.
Ito po, tartar.
Oo, with orange and pistachio.
Karpa.
Tapos meron ba tayong zupe?
Zupa for now, wala po.
Huwag ka na mag-soup,
Kasi pag ano na po,
nakabusog.
pag ganitong
Mainit na.
mainit
Mainit
na,
na.
hindi na po na gumagawa.
Okay.
Carchofe.
Oo, yung carciofe alla romana. Buongiorno. Where you guys at?
Pantheon. Beautiful.
Grazie.
Cacciopo alla romana.
Grazie.
Okay.
To share mo na.
And then this is the risotto.
This is
What are you having, Josh?
tartara de tono.
Di toro.
With
That looks fresh.
with orange and pistachio. And
Bon
avocado.
appetito.
And what else? That's cherry tomato.
What's the other one? Carciofe alla romana.
Artichoke.
And then our favorite risotto alfunghi porcini.
Yes. Can I borrow your phone? Risotto with porcini mash.
Tata.
Okay.
Oh.
Gamberone.
Oh, grazie. Yum, yum.
Ayos.
Salamat. This is the catch of the day, orata. And then this is gamberini.
Ay, hindi pala whole fish, no?
Yeah.
Ito, ma. I'm trying the tartare di tono with Pinot Grigio.
Yum, yum. Yummy food.
Yummy food. All gone. We're at Ristorante Di Rienzo. Delicioso.
Thank you rin.
Ano ang parang trade design nito? Hi guys!
We're having another batch of shrimp.
Hindi malam ba kanina?
Diba? Ano sabi mo kanina, walo? Always 5. They always come in 5. There you go, Josh. Come here. Yum, yum. That's fast. Oh my gosh.
Look at the taba on the head. So I told JD we should get mommy a boy's gift for the wedding anniversary, right?
Yeah.
Something like shoes for pickleball or sunglasses. What did you say?
I said maybe we should get mommy more vlogging.
I don't need vlogging equipment. I'm good with my phone. Maybe shoes. Sarap.
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu. Look at the tiramisu. Yum, yum. Ang ganda ng pinggan niyo.
Thank you po.
May tiramisu.
Rasa.
May
Gusto po yung
shakirata
canolo?
ba?
Oo, sarap.
Sige.
Sa kanya yan.
Perfect. Thank you. Yung shakirata ba? Regular coffee lang na sinake?
Actually po, coffee po na regular coffee. Tapos maraming yelo. Tapos lalagyan din po siya ng
Cannelloni, no? Cannelloni Siciliana o Roma?
Roma.
Cannelloni.
She this first but this food.
Delicioso.
Shakiruko.
Daddy is having shakirata.
Shakalata. I don't know. It's shake coffee. Then you're okay. How is it, Daddy?
This is better than the Florence shakirata. Napitito. Salute.
Tiramisu.
We got tiramisu, but I ordered tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
May tiramisu. Oh, yummy. Super yummy tiramisu.
Delicioso.
This is our gift.
Ano ulit to? Sabayon.
sabayon.
Ano yun?
Composto mascarpone, marsala, egg, tsaka po flour, sugar. Etong recipe po, marami pong sabayon in the town.
This is the postcard that we got from this restaurant. Thank you. The line is long, but it moves really fast too. So here we are, really close now to the Pantheon. We're in line here. Here's the info. So if you're not from EU, it's $5 to enter the Pantheon. And this is open from 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. That's the opening.
Ang laking Pantheon.
Yeah, may mga tao how, like in relation to how like huge this is now. What is that, Josh? You're covering the dome, okay? Yes?
Every 10 pounds roses are dropped from the hole up there, as from the Pope ordered for roses to be dropped there every Pentecost Sunday, so it would look like fire, like the apostles had
I see.
on Pentecost.
Look, there's a light there just as the altar.
That picture over there with the flowers was made by Saint Luke.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
The Madonna, the Mother Mary of Madonna. The tomb under there is Raphael, the artist. Pantheon used to be a pagan church, but it was converted into a Christian church by a Renaissance Pope. The painting next with the flowers on the side of the altar was made by Saint Luke.
Oh. Did they say about those things on top?
On the top, that one is a recreation of the I don't know how to say it, the Mama Mary like thing.
Oh.
The Mama Mary painting.
Oh, I see. Wow. It's so amazing how they built this. From long time ago. That's the hole.
When it rained, these holes in the floor would drain the water.
Oh.
Look at those holes.
Those holes too would drain the water from up there when it rains. This is the entrance. I'll go around. This is the round thing. And then back to the entrance. There you go. That's the round thing. And then the dome up there. That's the exit. This is the door going to the exit. Look at the people in line. There are two lines. This line here is the card, and I think this is cash. Yeah. So just pick whatever is shorter.